Well, well, well. We're somewhere in Butler County. It is the 16th of February, and I'm Greg. It looks like a couple of the ways are impassable up here during this snowstorm. It isn't the worst you've ever seen. However, it is pretty consistent and it hasn't let up in a while. It's kind of fun just watching the other cars running around. I got places to go to and things to see, people to do. And a 2025 GLC 300. It's got the 4MATIC all-wheel drive. It's nice and safe and comfortable. It is crazy outside though. I'm on my way to a buddy's. Hopefully he's okay. Butler County has already been out on the streets. I've seen the plows already. I don't know if he's off the road. Actually, I don't think he is off the road. Other road was blocked and people were backing up. I couldn't see what was holding them up.
Approaching a railroad crossing. Doing a good 19-20 miles an hour, and that might be pretty much it. I had a better view for you. Unfortunately, I don't. This is a little spot that I wanted to get to. Get up over these little rises and see how well this thing does. It's hard to see the middle of the road. So far, I haven't had any issues. These little crowned roads, though. You don't know what's off the sides. I'm gonna bounce, guys. Have a great day. And come on back.